Imagine waking up every day with a clearer mind, remembering names effortlessly, feeling more focused, and having a memory that works just as well as it did in your 20s. This isn't a far-off dream. It's a reality that can be achieved through small, consistent changes. These are 9 daily habits that will not only sharpen your brain but also improve your memory and focus. Take Sarah, for example. At 55, Sarah started to notice small lapses in her memory. She would forget where she placed her keys, the names of people she just met, and sometimes, even simple tasks like what she went to the kitchen for. This made her feel frustrated and anxious. But Sarah didn't accept this as the norm. She made a conscious decision to take action, to change her daily habits, and within just a few months, she felt a remarkable difference. Her focus became sharper, her memory returned, and her overall mental clarity improved drastically. These are the same habits Sarah used, and today, they're available to you. Start your day with hydration and deep breathing. The first thing Sarah did when she woke up was drink a full glass of water. After 8 hours of sleep, your brain is dehydrated, and the first step in revitalizing it is proper hydration. After drinking the water, Sarah took 10 deep breaths. Slow, mindful breaths that flooded her brain with oxygen and prepared her for the day ahead. This simple habit started her day on a peaceful note, clearing any mental fog and boosting her brain function by up to 20%. Next, practice gratitude in the morning. Sarah made a habit of writing down 3 things she was grateful for every morning. This act of focusing on the positive rewires the brain, reduces stress, and improves memory retention. Every time Sarah wrote something down, whether it was her health, family, or just the beauty of a sunrise, she felt her mind clearing and her stress diminishing. Gratitude, as simple as it sounds, has a profound effect on the brain. It's the foundation of a calm, focused mind. Move your body every day. Sarah learned that movement is one of the best things you can do for your brain. Whether it's a brisk walk, a gentle jog, or even just stretching, moving the body increases blood flow to the brain, which in turn boosts cognitive function and memory. She committed to walking for just 20 minutes a day, and in less than a week, her focus improved significantly. Studies have shown that regular exercise can enhance memory by up to 30%. So, if you want to sharpen your mind, get moving, feed your brain the right foods. The food you eat directly affects your brain's performance. Sarah made it a point to incorporate brain-boosting foods into her daily diet. She swapped sugary snacks for nuts, dark chocolate, and berries. She added more omega-3 rich fish like salmon and tuna to her meals. And she started eating leafy greens like spinach and kale. These foods provide the nutrients your brain needs to stay sharp, focused, and energized throughout the day. Nutrition is more than just fuel. It's the building block for a stronger brain. Limit distractions and reduce screen time. Sarah's next habit was cutting down on digital distractions. She used to check her phone first thing in the morning and constantly scrolled through social media throughout the day, but she realized that constant notifications were interrupting her focus and making her anxious. So, she decided to keep her phone off for the first hour of the day, using that time for mindful activities like reading, stretching, or simply planning her day. By doing this, Sarah gave her brain a break from the constant barrage of information. Research has shown that reducing screen time improves memory and allows you to focus better. Commit to learning something new every day. Sarah understood that the brain thrives on new challenges. Learning new things keeps your mind active and engaged. Whether it's reading a book, listening to an informative podcast, or picking up a new skill, Sarah made it a habit to spend at least 15 minutes a day learning something new. This could be as simple as learning a few new words or experimenting with a new recipe. This habit helps to build new neural connections, which improves memory and cognitive function. Socialize and connect with others. Humans are social creatures, and the brain thrives on social interaction. Sarah began to make an effort to engage more with friends, family, and even acquaintances. She would join conversations, attend social gatherings, and even volunteer at local events. These social interactions helped her practice focus and listening, while also stimulating her brain in ways that solitary activities couldn't. Neuroscientists agree that socializing helps with memory retention and cognitive flexibility. Prioritize sleep for brain health. Sleep is one of the most powerful tools for improving brain function, yet many of us underestimate its importance. Sarah used to get only 5 hours of sleep, which left her feeling sluggish and forgetful. But when she started sleeping 7 to 8 hours each night, her cognitive abilities improved almost immediately. During sleep, the brain clears toxins and consolidates memories. A good night's sleep is critical for mental clarity, focus, and memory. Practice mindfulness through meditation. Finally, Sarah incorporated meditation into her routine. She started with just 5 minutes of meditation every morning, focusing on her breath and clearing her mind. As the weeks went by, she extended her sessions to 10 minutes, and soon, she was feeling more centered, calm, and focused. Meditation reduces stress, improves focus, and strengthens the part of the brain responsible for decision-making and concentration. Even just a few minutes of mindfulness each day can help sharpen your mind. These 9 habits were the keys to Sarah's transformation. In just a few months, she felt more present, her focus became sharper, and her memory improved significantly. What's even better is that these habits can work for anyone. Whether you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, or beyond, these simple changes will make a noticeable difference in how you think, feel, and remember. Start with one habit today, and over time, you'll begin to see improvements in your brain function, focus, and memory. The power to transform your mind is in your hands. And before you go, take a moment to think about this. Your brain is constantly rewiring itself based on what you do every day. Every positive habit you build is literally changing the structure of your brain. So even if progress feels slow, every small step matters. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video, share it with someone who could benefit from these tips, and subscribe to the channel for more health, wellness, and brain-boosting advice. Take charge of your mental health today, and remember, your mind is your most powerful asset. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your brain? In this video, we'll reveal 9 simple, science-backed habits that will improve your memory, boost your focus, and make your mind sharper than ever. No matter your age, whether you're in your 30s, 40s, or beyond, these habits will transform your mental clarity and cognitive abilities. Learn from Sarah's journey, who transformed her brain health by integrating these habits into her daily life. How starting your day with hydration and deep breathing can kickstart your brain. Why practicing gratitude in the morning is a game changer for focus. How 20 minutes of movement every day can boost brain function. The brain-boosting foods you should eat to stay sharp. Why cutting down on screen time can help you focus and improve memory. The power of learning something new every day. How socializing and connecting with others can enhance memory. The importance of sleep for brain health. How meditation can help reduce stress and improve cognitive function. Light bulbs start today. You don't need to adopt all 9 habits at once. Start small and gradually introduce these habits into your daily routine. You'll start noticing significant improvements in your focus, memory, and overall mental clarity. If you want to supercharge your brain health, this is the video for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on staying mentally sharp. Bell subscribe now, link to channel.